Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I am explaining about the concept of filler, metal, electrode and flux. This is the second bit in the module 5. The concept of filler material, electrode and flux. So what is the need of filler metal in welding process? So already you know welding is carried out by heating the edges of the workpieces to a suitable temperature and then fused together with or without the application of pressure. But what happens? A completely joining of the metal not takes place. For we use the filler metal. That slight gap usually exists between the edges of the workpieces. A filler metal is used to supply additional material to fill the gap. But what happens? Some welding can also be used without using the filler metal also done. In this video, I will explain about the what is meant by filler metal and different types of the filler material. A filler metal is a metallic wire used to supply additional material to fill the gap between the two workpieces. Where it is used to fill the gap between the two workpieces to be joined. The filler metal is available in the form of a circular rod and is made up of the same material or nearly the same chemical composition as that of the base metal. So whatever the material of the workpiece, the same material of the filler metal is required. The filler metal used in arc welding process is called as the electrode. We see later what is meant by electrodes. Filler metal is classified into three basic categories. First one is the coated electrode, plain or bare or uncoated electrode, and fabricated tubular or cored electrode wire. This is one by one. In this three diagrams, this is the first one is the coated electrode. If you see in metal arc welding, we use this type of the electrode. So what happens here? A metal wire is coated with the flux. This is the first one, coated electrode. Second one is the plain or bare electrode. The wire type electrode. Here, a surrounding of this wire, there is no flux coated. For example, we seen in the welding type, that is a metal inert gas welding and submerged welding process. This type of the electrodes are used. The third one is the tubular electrode. Here, a circular hollow electrode, it is a flux and carbon surrounded by this electrode. This is the first one, coated electrode. In coated electrodes, the metallic wire, that called as the core, is coated with a flux. You see in the figure. What are the functions of the flux? It prevents the oxidation of the molten metal. It helps to remove of oxides. Also, it is used to stabilize the arc. The main function of the flux to eliminate the weld metal porosity. Also, it is used to minimize the welding defects. A flux coating is done by dipping the heated end of the filler rod in the constituents of flux. The flux sticks to the metallic wire. This is a metallic wire and flux is surrounded by this wire. This is all about the coated electrode. Next we see plain or uncoated electrode. In this type of filler metal, the metallic wire, that is core wire, is left plain or uncoated with flux. Here we don't coat the flux surrounding of the wire. These electrodes do not prevent oxidation of the weld. But here we are using the flux to prevent that welding bed from the atmospheric gases. But here we don't have any flux. Due to this, not prevent the oxidation of the weld, and hence the joint obtained is weak. Welding processes that makes the use of bare electrodes utilize the inert gases for shielding of weld metal during welding. For example, metal inert gas, submerged arc welding. If you see in the lecture related to the metal inert gas and submerged arc welding types, we can clearly understand what is meant by inert gases and why it is used and why the bare electrodes are used. The bare electrodes are used in this purpose. Welding can carry continuously without stopping. For that purpose, the bare electrodes are used, and it is stored in the form of wire reel. Bare electrodes in the form of wire were first used to oxy-fuel gas welding process, supply additional material to fill the joint. Later on, the wire was provided in coils for automatic welding processes. Bare electrodes are so named that because they are uncoated with flux material. However, a very thin copper coating is provided on the wire to improve current pickup and also prevent the rusting of the wire. Okay, this is all about the uncoated electrodes. Last one is saying a tubular wire is the hollow material containing flux inside and are used in flux core arc welding processes. And this consists of a wire made up of low carbon steel and surrounding a core of a flux and alloying materials. The components contained in the wire perform essentially the same functions as the coated electrodes. This is the same as the coated electrodes. Next we say the different types of the electrodes. A welding electrode is defined as the component of the welding circuit through which current is conducted, through which current is passing. In other words, the electrodes forms one pole of the electric circuit while the workpiece forms the other pole. Understood? The electrode is connected to the one terminal of the power supply and the workpiece is connected to the another pole of the power supply. Due to this circuit only, arc is generated between the two components. There are the two types of the electrodes: consumable electrodes and non-consumable electrodes. So for example, in metal arc welding process, we use the consumable electrodes. If you say in metal arc welding type, the flux is burned and it fills the weld area and it protects the atmospheric gases from that weld area. If you see the non-consumable electrodes, where it is used? It is used in the tungsten inert gas welding process. The tungsten electrode is nothing but a non-consumable. There is no any extra coated, flux coated surrounding of that electrode. It is only used for the creating the arc between the electrode and workpiece. If you see the consumable electrodes are those which get consumed during the welding process. These electrodes helps to establish the arc and also act as a filler metal to deposit additional material to fill the gap between the workpieces. Consumable electrode may be coated, bare or tubular type. If you say non-consumable electrodes are those which are made up of carbon, graphite or tungsten and do not consume during welding process. They serve only to strike and maintain the arc during the welding process. For example, tungsten inert gas, atomic hydrogen welding process are used in non-consumable electrodes. Hope all of you understood this concept. Thank you.